Welcome back to Urmila Babu's kitchen. Today I am going to make Portuguese fish. Boneless Portuguese fish. Fish you have to make it boneless and skin out. Then make into cubes. I will show that. Now for the masala, podina, 1 bunch podina, half coconut grated and few garlic. Only this much garlic is enough and little tamarind and 2 small pieces of cinnamon sticks and 4-5 cloves. Then green chilli. Then salt. Now I will put it in the mixie jar. I will show how to do it. You have to paste everything without water. If you cannot paste without water, little water you can put. Now I am going to marinate the fish. Little salt, not much, because in the paste you are going to put the salt, half lime juice. This pudina paste I made it. Now I am going to wrap fish with this masala. Cover the masala like this. Then this is a banana leaf. I have put it on the fire little so that the banana leaf will become soft. It will not tear it. Now keep it like this and wrap it. Then tie with the thread. Now I have kept pan on the stove. It's hot. I am putting some water. Put some oil in that, coconut oil or any oil you can put. Now the water is boiling. I am going to put the fish. Now I am going to open this. It is boiling nicely. I will flip it out. Now it is done. I am removing from the water.